The "To My Dad If I Could Give You One Thing in Life" gift from Nomally is a unique and emotionally resonant piece of wall art designed to express deep affection from a daughter to her father. This product is a tin metal sign plaque measuring 8 by 12 inches, with a vintage retro style that fits well in many home or office environments. It is crafted from high-quality materials that ensure durability, waterproofing, rust-proofing, and color fastness, making it a lasting keepsake for any recipient. The environmentally friendly and recyclable nature of the materials also adds a thoughtful touch for those concerned with sustainability. The sign comes with pre-drilled holes in each corner, allowing for easy mounting on walls using nails or ropes, or it can be placed directly on a desktop, offering versatile display options that suit various spaces and preferences. The design features an exquisite picture with a wood background and a cutout of people, which adds a warm, personal feel to the piece. The modern style is both simple and fashionable, making it a tasteful addition to any decor. The plaque carries a heartfelt message that resonates strongly with many buyers, often described as moving and tear-inducing, highlighting its emotional impact. This message is particularly meaningful for occasions such as Father's Day, birthdays, or any special moment when one wants to show love and appreciation to a father, husband, or father figure. Customer feedback consistently praises the product for its emotional significance and quality. Many reviewers share touching stories of gifting this plaque to fathers in difficult circumstances, such as serious illness, and witnessing powerful emotional reactions, including tears. This underscores the gift's ability to communicate love and gratitude in a way that words alone sometimes cannot. The size is noted as perfect, not too large or small, making it suitable for display without overwhelming a space. The quality of the materials and craftsmanship is frequently highlighted, with users describing the plaque as sturdy, well-made, and visually appealing. Some users have suggested expanding the product's appeal by offering versions in different languages or with translation options, which could broaden its accessibility for non-English speakers. Despite this, the current version has been appreciated even by those with limited English proficiency, emphasizing the universal nature of the sentiment it conveys. The product includes mounting hardware, simplifying installation, and the manufacturer offers a 24-hour customer service guarantee to address any issues promptly, which adds confidence to the purchase. The plaque's weight is light at 4.9 ounces, making it easy to handle and hang. Overall, this gift item stands out as a thoughtful, sentimental, and high-quality present that effectively expresses love and appreciation for fathers. It is ideal for those searching for a meaningful gift that combines emotional depth with aesthetic appeal. The overwhelmingly positive reviews and emotional testimonials confirm that this plaque is more than just a decorative item. It is a cherished token of affection that can create memorable moments between a daughter and her father. For anyone considering a gift that conveys heartfelt emotions with elegance and durability, this product is highly recommended. Viewers are encouraged to use the link in the description to support the channel and to leave their own reviews in the comments if they have this item, helping others make informed decisions.